Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is so good to be here today. It's Wildcat Wednesday. Look, I got my fancy new Wildcat Wednesday shirt on. Check out that with the little logo on the polo shirt. Can you see my collar? Hey, I love seeing everybody in their Wildcat Wednesday shirts. I love seeing Wildcat. In fact, today we're going to talk about the Wildcat a little bit during morning assembly and about our school and why we're thankful to be a part of Achieve Charter School. I mean, look back there behind me. I have this cool Achieve Loves You sign. I love Achieve. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel safe. It makes me feel happy. It helps me learn. And we're going to talk all about that during morning assembly today. Before we talk about that, please stand and let's do the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You can have a seat. I like how I see people sitting up nice and straight. Show me a good slant. Hands in your lap. You're focused. So like I said, Achieve is a great place to be. We have the Wildcat, which is awesome. The Wildcat makes us happy and cheers us on. We have all of these amazing teachers. Look over at your teacher right now and give them a big wave. Yeah. You have all of these friends. Look at one of your friends right now and just give them a big smile. There are so many great things about being a part of Achieve and feeling safe and happy while you're learning. And I want to talk about thankfulness today and why we are thankful for our school. So our topic for today is I'm thankful for Achieve because ... And I want you to fill in a reason why you are thankful for Achieve. If you want to tell us a reason why you are thankful for Achieve, please raise your hand. Have a great day, Achieve.